time is it? It is 4 a.m. 4:15. As a photographer and a contributor to some local magazines, I like to go out scouting for cars, particularly classic cars. I like the look. They're dramatic, they're thematic, and they are always worth a picture. But this one particular car, talking about vintage, right? About to go check it out. But before we actually take some photos of that car, one of the things I want to do is I want to go out there, take some B-rolls, a couple of B-rolls, and see if it's even worth taking photos. I don't know. You be the judge. Leave a comment below if you think it's worth taking pictures, but I think you're going to like what you see. So without further ado, the time is 4:16 a.m. As soon as the sun rises, I will be headed out to go check it out in Orange County off of Balboa Street or Balboa Avenue, Balboa Boulevard, whatever they call it. It's pretty dramatic, pretty thematic, and I think you're gonna like it. So without further ado, let's go check it out. Oh, hit that like button if you like the video. Smash that subscribe button if you aren't already. I will see you on the next video. And I will see you on the next video.